Hello everybody, we're going to create a privacy page. This is really an important part of the setup, especially now, and there's quite a lot we need to include in the privacy policy page. Okay, now we can dismiss this message here. On the menu, Pages, Add New. And the title should be Privacy Policy or just Privacy. Okay, now I have provided you with a template and you need to edit this template so wherever my domain is, you need to replace that with your own domain. So I'm giving you this template on a PDF and on an editable file as well, so you can edit it before you copy and paste it in. Other things you need to edit: the date that it's effective from, that would normally be the date that you publish the page, and wherever there's an email address, here, here, and here, make sure that you change that as well. Okay, I'm going to copy and paste this whole document in. And that's copied and pasted pretty well. Alright, now we haven't quite finished yet with this page, but I'm going to go ahead right now and publish it and then get the rest of the information that I need, and I'll show you what you will need as well. Because you are using a social sharing plugin, you're going to need some more information on your privacy policy page. So this is the information that you will need. You're going to need to take the paragraph for each social sharing button that you are using. Okay, so I'm using Facebook. I'm going to take this and I'm going to insert this information below this paragraph here, links to other websites, and above controlling your personal information. Don't want it italic, so just like that. And to insert a header above this, just like so. Now the WordPress editor is very easy to use. This is the new editor, the Gutenberg editor, which was only recently released. And it really is very user-friendly and very simple to make great looking pages and posts. Okay, so the social sharing buttons that I'm going to be using, the ones that I set up in Sassy Social Share, is Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, WhatsApp, and I think it was Reddit. So I need to go and get the snippets for each of those and paste them in here. I'll pause the video and be back in a moment. Alright, I couldn't find one for WhatsApp, so perhaps it doesn't apply. But once you've done that and you've copied and pasted everything else in, make sure that you've edited the domain names and the email addresses throughout the document, and then you can click on Publish or Update. Now to get to this page here, this is the page with all the snippets that you need to copy and paste into your privacy policy page. This here is the URL, but you can actually get to it from your dashboard or from your plugins page. Go back to the dashboard. It's this notice here. So if you click this link here, it's going to take you to that page we just looked at. But if you happen to have closed this down, I'm not sure why it's here twice, but let's get rid of it anyway. You can probably get to that page through the plugin. Here we are, and that is the same page. So if you do happen to have closed down that notice on your dashboard, just go to the plugin by selecting Plugins on the menu, click on Support Documentation, and you'll be able to navigate back to the page that we were just looking at. Okay, that's the privacy policy page. In the next lesson, we're going to set up a terms and conditions and a contact us page. I'll see you there.